Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Messenger not working. So it's pretty simple. Let's get started. So your Messenger might not working due to lots of multiple errors and multiple bugs. So in order to fix that, I'm going to tell you list out the number of steps you guys can follow and fix out by doing that specific steps. So what you have to do is, first of all, you have to just simply go to Google Play Store. So after opening up the Google Play Store, just simply search for Messenger, because sometimes there is an update available. So in order to find that specific update, after achieving that specific update, that specific issues will be resolved. So you guys can see there is no any update available. So if there is any update available, you have to just simply hit the update button, and in this way you guys can update your application and get rid of bugs, lots of bugs and errors. So if the issue is still not resolved, then you have to just simply go to your phone settings. So after coming to your phone settings, just simply search for apps. So I'm just searching for apps. So after searching for apps, you have to simply open up the apps and simply open up the Messenger in the apps. So after coming to Messenger, what you have to do is just simply hit the force stop button to in order to stop the application for a while. It will restart the application, and it might reduce its bugs and errors. So after hitting the force stop, you guys have to simply hit OK, and in this way you guys can see that specific application is restarting and forcing stop. So the next thing is, what you have to do is just simply hit the clear data button. So after clicking on the hit the clear data, you have to simply also clear the data as well as cache data. So what it can do is it can delete all the data in the cache memory and in the RAM. So what you have to do is just simply click on clear cache and clear all data. By doing that, you guys can overcome lots of issues and bugs in the application, and after that, I'm 100% sure that your application will be working and correctly. So I hope this method find you well. Do like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye bye.